What's up guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Shopify payments or how to add a payment method on Shopify. Now if you're new to Shopify, once you sign in, of course you need to create your store, but to get your payment method or your payment set up, you'll be seeing this on the welcome page here or the home page here on Shopify. So if you look down in the section here, you have a section called activate, set up Shopify payments, and with this click of a button, it's going to take you over to the payments section here for Shopify. Alternatively, you can easily find this if you're on the home page by simply clicking the gear on the lower left hand side for settings, and you'll be taken over to this section here where you can click on payments and you can basically add the payments from there. Now, there are a few options that you have. The first one is the Shopify payments, which is easy, and I recommend that you use this. So I would recommend that you just simply click on complete account setup and follow the processes here to actually set up your Shopify payment. It is super simple, guys. 4-step process. You can just go ahead and set it up. So you can say you're a registered business. I can go ahead and I can say yes. It's going to say my business type. I will just basically say private corporation or whatever, a person. You can choose whichever option you want. Next, and you'll be able to proceed. So fill in your details here, phone number, all different details that you need. Press on next, and once you fill out all of those details that you need to fill out, you'll just need to go through each step of the way to complete this section here. Right now, the next thing, let me go back into the payments and show you what else is there. You can also go ahead and even set up, for example, PayPal. So if you have PayPal, if you scroll on a bit, you have the section for PayPal. Just simply go ahead and say setup. It says setup incomplete. You can click on that to set up and you'll be able to complete the setup. This is going to take you right over to PayPal where you need to sign into a PayPal account and so forth. So if you click on complete the setup, you'll be able to quickly set it up. So I'm going to show you right here. If I click on complete setup, it's going to take me over to PayPal and I would need to sign into my PayPal account. Right, so that's what's going to happen right there, and that's going to link your PayPal account. So that's going to set up on your store. So PayPal is an option to use as well. Now let's go back here and show you what else is possible. Now there's a section as well where you can go ahead and add payment method as well. So here, if I click this button here right below the PayPal section, you can search by payment method, and that could be whatever. If you don't know what are the payment methods that you're looking for, if you want to know what there is, so for example, if I want MasterCard or I want Visa, I can type in that and I will see Visa. Right now, if you don't know and you want to know what are all the options, just simple type in the word card and you will see a ton of different options here. Right, so you can try this option as well to see what's possible, or if you know exactly what is possible, then you can do that. So for example, if I want MasterCard, I can click on MasterCard here, and once I do that, you will see that it shows me a ton of different providers that basically allow MasterCard. So you can scroll through and you can see what is there and you can choose whatever you want, right? So this is the way how you can do that. And once you select something, you will just need to basically proceed. So I'm going to just choose something here. If I click on this one, for example, you will see that it shows me that I can install this onto my Shopify store, right? So this is how you'll do it. Super easy, super straightforward, right? Let's go back and show you another section as well under that same add payment method. So if I click on that, there's an option to search by provider. So you can click on that and you can search for providers. So let me try, for example, Klarna. You can simply go ahead and choose. So here is Klarna. You can see that Klarna is there, so you can choose. So whichever option there is, guys, you can go ahead and search by the payment. You can search there as well. So I'm going to just simply show you. If I type in A, you have Alta Pay, you have all different options, right? So you can go ahead and search for the provider, right? Let me show you what else is under this section so that you have an idea what is available to you. If you scroll on here, you also have payment capture method, so you can go ahead and set that up. You have the manual payment method section here as well. You have gift cards, so you can ensure that you set up gift cards as well. Apple Wallet passes, you can go ahead and customize that as well. So have a look at this, check this out. As I said, I recommend that you use Shopify payments. It is the basic one, which, or let's say the most recommended one, but you can go ahead and you have the options to set up additional payment methods for you. Keep in mind that the Shopify payments, it can be limited in some countries. So if you want to create your store to be available in a specific country and you want to use a payment method in a specific country, then check to see if the provider is there and set it up by doing that as well. And if you have a PayPal account, which a lot of people like to also use your PayPal account to buy stuff online as well. So it's also recommended that you have that as an extra level of payment method available to your customers, right? So this is it, guys. Very easy and very simple. I hope your phone is useful. And if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and set up one. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to go through this step by step, how to set up those different payment methods in Shopify from A to Z, or the full steps, right? So thank you guys for watching, and looking forward to see you in the next video.